And a good Friday morning, everyone. We're still on track for the awesome warm-up coming our way. Middle 60s today, 68 tomorrow, and then Sunday into the lower 70s. Finally, it's going to feel like spring and we can get outdoors and enjoy it. A few rain sprinkles this morning. That's really the only time frame when, well, it might not be awesome to be outside, but at least it's 45 degrees at 7 a.m. So pretty mild start with a few more light rain showers generally by 7, 8 a.m. though. They're already starting to come to an end. A nice breeze out of the south at 12 miles per hour. By noon, already 59 degrees as that warmth is moving in. Mostly sunny skies at this time frame, and the warm up continues by 4 o'clock, 65 degrees, mostly sunny skies, a southwest wind at 10 miles per hour. You know, if the golf courses are open in your neck of the woods, it'd be a good thing to get outdoors and do. Bike ride, take the dog on a walk, anything outside. That's the things to do. A little bit damp out there this morning because some light rain showers are moving through and the cloudy skies. So a bit of a soggy start to the day, but again, things will be warming up nicely and we'll be able to forget about that. We warmed up to 44 degrees in Eau Claire. We were at 43 just an hour ago. So that's telling us that warmer air is already starting to surge in. Elsewhere though, we're still at 38 in Neillsville, 39 in Black River Falls, 37 in Ladysmith, and 39 in Rice Lake. So those are the 30s, but notice farther out to the west, 40s, 44 also in Alma, and 46 in Winona. The warmer air is starting to surge in. You see any of those green colors? Well, that's the color contour depicting 40-degree temperatures, and that will surge in here. Excited to be showing the yellow and, you know, maybe even getting closer to the orangish shades on those color contours throughout this weekend. I'm a color person, so I get excited about that and excited about the warmer temperatures. Again, those rain showers not lasting too much longer, and then the clouds starting to break out. Not quite as much sunshine farther to the south and the east, where actually this late afternoon, evening, maybe a few sprinkles, but quiet weather tonight. Clear skies, mostly calm winds, and that fantastic weather for tomorrow as well with a lot of sunshine. 65 today in Menominee, Chippewa Falls, Eau Claire, 64 in Neillsville down to the Coulee region, 66 in Viroqua, 68 even in Galesville, and 67 in Winona. After that rain early, the clouds start to break up, so we'll go with partly sunny skies, a high temperature of 65, 41, quiet, calm, mild tonight, and mostly sunny, just about perfect for our Saturday, and even better on Sunday. So definitely some good news that things are really starting to look up for this weekend. 72 and then all the way to 74 on Tuesday. After that though, some cooler air is working back in. We'll just try not to think about that and enjoy the awesome weather we have for this weekend. Remember, your local weather every 5 minutes on Skywarn 24/7 weather. Get that on your antenna, 13.2.
Orange is not one of my favorite colors,
okay.
But when it's on a weather map, it's one of my favorite colors.
And it's been a long time since we have seen that. 70 degrees. The last time we did that, October 3rd.
Really?
So that's a stretch of about 200 days since we have last hit that 70-degree mark. So I almost forget what it's like, temperatures that warm.
But
I think the memories will come back and we're going to like them. Yeah.
Can't wait. Yep. Thanks, Andrew.
Moving this morning once again. So will those clouds break up at all today? Meteorologist Andrew McCawley has a first look at our forecast. Andrew?
Well, thank you, Judy. And much like this spring season, we've been waiting for the clouds to break and warmer temperatures to come. That's what we're dealing with today, but that is happening over these next couple of hours, and that will allow temperatures to warm up. It's 38 right now in Eau Claire, but already 42 in La Crosse, and when those clouds do slowly break up over the next about hour or so, things will start to warm up. Still dealing with the cloud cover right now, but the trend will improve throughout this afternoon, and especially by this evening. That's when temperatures will be very comfortable out there in the middle 40s, so yes, still well below average, but certainly better than kind of what it has been the last couple of days, even into the lower 50s farther down towards the south. So decent weather by this afternoon and evening. Tomorrow and throughout the rest of this work week, well, that's when the rain showers and, yes, maybe even some snow are coming back towards us. We'll talk all about that in your full forecast coming up later on. Judy? And a good afternoon once again, everyone. Meteorologist Andrew McCawley from outside the WEAU studio right here along Hastings Way, continuing to see that snow falling and pretty much everywhere across the viewing area Right now we are seeing those snow-packed roads, cars going very slowly across the roads. Definitely give yourself extra time if you do have to head outdoors, as these roads not getting any better as the road crews are out, but continuing with that snow falling. Now across the state, as we go to the weather graphics, you can see that all across the state of Wisconsin, we are being reported as snow-covered roads, and once again, that's not going to change. As we take a look at the radar, you can see that we still have those heavy snow showers all across the area, and that will continue throughout the rest of this afternoon, this evening, and then all the way into tomorrow morning. Temperatures right now still hovering right around that 20-degree mark, but then you factor in those winds still out of the northeast at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. That puts wind chills down into the single digits. In fact, it does feel like 6 in Eau Claire, 4 in Rice Lake. Sliding down to the south, temperatures there a little bit warmer into the upper 20s, and then we're dealing with wind chills there down into the teens. So by all means, you're definitely going to need to bundle up when you are headed outdoors, and then also give yourself extra time out on the roads. Also be a good idea to have a shovel and a blanket inside your car if you do have to head out. So as we look at those snowfall totals, still very impressive numbers out there. About a foot of snow at least across a good stretch of the viewing area. Some places receiving close to 18 inches of snow. We do have that winter storm warning that remains in effect until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. and then the very cold air is continuing to push in as we go throughout the rest of the weekend. So that'll be it for now. Stay safe out there on the roads if you have to. Also bundle up, as we will be dealing with these winter conditions throughout the rest of the day. Have a great afternoon.
Gentleman, with its techno-pop beat, is full of Korean puns and contains the line, "I am Party Mafia." Psy performed the song in public for the first time this weekend.
What do you guys think? Is that going to be quite the hit?
Initially, I don't think so, but maybe I have to hear the whole thing.
Right.
But I think it
was catchy.
A lot of waiting around, because I think a lot of people wanted to see if Psy was going to do something else, and what could he cook up.
Yeah.
So this will be interesting.
I also find it interesting that a lot of the lyrics aren't in English, but yet we here in America love it. We don't even know what he's saying most of the time.
We understand it.
I just find that interesting. They're like, oh, this is awesome. I don't know what he's talking about.
Yeah, exactly. You don't even know what he's saying.
Right.
It's all about a catchy beat and a catchy tune, and if he's got that again, it'll
Catches on.
probably go viral and
We'll have to
whatever
look
it
up the
does.
whole video and watch it this morning.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Well, coming up after the break, a new study.